Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to guide you on how to make calls on TikTok, voice calls option. If you are trying to make calls on TikTok and you don't know how to today, I'm going to on how you can actually do it. So the first step you need to take, you need to go to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you need to go to your App Store and update your TikTok. Once you've done that, maybe it's not going to appear on the TikTok immediately. You need to go ahead and restart your device or leave the app for some hours, then go ahead and open it up and know if it is now working. Open up your TikTok. After you've updated it, open it up. So here you're going to be going to your inbox. On your inbox here, mind you, you are going to be able to make calls with people that you are following and they are following back, like your friends on TikTok. That's the people that you're allowed to make calls with on TikTok. So you need to make sure the person that you want to call is actually your friend. So if you guys are actually friends on TikTok, you need to go ahead and make calls with them. But if the person is not actually your friend on TikTok, you are not going to be able to see the call icon on the top right corner. So let me quickly look for a friend, someone that I'm actually following and the person is following back on TikTok. So here you can see I'm friends with this person, so I can go ahead and call this person here. If you click on the call icon, you can go ahead and make calls with this person, and if it actually online like this, you're going to be seeing calling and ringing. So that's it on how you can actually make calls on TikTok. If you found this helpful, because you come to the end of this video, please subscribe to the channel. Let me make my session. If you find this video on the channel, I wanted to say to give you guys feedback. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.